Hey everybody, it's your girl Elo for life, and today I'm going to come at you all with these passion twists. I did tell y'all in my last video that I was going to try out some passion twists for the very first time, and here they are installed. So if you want to know a little bit more about these passion twists and my base pattern and everything else, then y'all keep watching my video. Okay. So y'all, I'm not going to be doing a lot of talking in this video. More of my talking is going to be more towards the end of the video. So if you want to scroll to 650 in this video to get a complete what I love about these twists, then you can, that's fine, you can do that. But what I'm showing right here is just my base pattern of what I decided to do when it came to putting and installing these passion twists. I did this a little bit differently just because I was trying to get more of a box look or individual look when it came to these passion twists. Now, one thing about these passion twists, I made my squares a little bit bigger because these passion twists in diameter are bigger than the bomb twists that I had installed previously. And I did more individual plaits around the base of my head and on top of my head, and then in the middle of my hair I did more of the cornrow look. So this is what I did. I got these, I got this idea from a few YouTubers on YouTube. So to each his own. I want to try something different. And then if you want to know if I will ever do this again, I'll let you know at the end of my video. But keep watching my video. From here on, I'm going to be playing music and showing me installing them for a little bit. And then if you want to know those pros and cons, keep watching the video or scroll to the end at 650. All right, y'all. back, everybody. It's your girl Elo for life, and you know what? I am loving these passion twists. Now, let me tell you something about these passion twists. These passion twists are very soft. They're long, kind of long for me, but that's okay. Right now I have 7 packs of passion. 7 packs in my hair. Okay, 7 packs of passion twists in my hair from the company. Was it Toyo? Shoot, hold on. Tiana Passion Twist by a company by Tokyo Trust, I believe. Anyway, they were going around on YouTube, so you can definitely YouTube these. I've been eyeing these for a while on Amazon. They're a bit on the expensive side. I did get the 8 package deal, which was like $64 and some change, I believe. But I actually used just about 7 packs of hair. Now, my whole goal for this hairstyle is to, one, I wanted to put it up in a ponytail. I did not want to wear any of my hair down. I did not want no hair in my face, especially because I'm working out every day, morning and night. And in my last video, you saw that I used to wear them. I had bomb twists. I had to wear them to the side. I had to always pull them up and back when I was working out. This time, I just wanted to keep them off my face permanently. I will not be taking these down. Oh, I absolutely love how these look. I love the color. I want to try a different color. And, yes, I am loving these bad boys for real, y'all. And, it is a bit heavy. 7 packs of the Passion Twist. It's a bit heavy. So, and the fact that, what I love about these is the fact not only are they soft, but there is so many. My whole goal was really for this style was to only put like 4 packs in my hair, but I ended up adding 3 more, and I think it's really just because you only get 12 passion twists in each pack. So that's probably the reason why I ended up using about 7 packs. Actually, I only have 1 passion twist left. 1 passion twist left from the 7th pack. I probably could have put this in my hair somewhere, but I already have enough passion twists in my hair. Would I buy these again? Most definitely I'm going to buy these again. So my whole goal really is to try to keep this in my hair for a whole month. Now, if you've seen one of my previous videos, my follow-up to the bomb twist that I had from a company that I also bought from Amazon, I actually wore those in my hair. I got through for about 7 weeks. A full 7 weeks before I took them out. So I took them out, freshly washed my hair, and put these in here. So now I'm going to try to, hopefully I can keep these in for 4 weeks. So we'll see how these last. I will definitely do a follow-up video on if anything, you know, for this follow-up video, just let you guys know what's going on with them. Is it worth the $64? This is kind of like half of the price of what I paid for my bomb twist, and I got more bomb twists in those, and those a lot smaller. This is definitely a summer hairstyle. Sorry, y'all. This is definitely a summer hairstyle. I do love the color. The color is a 1B30, I believe. Yes, I think it is a 1B30. And I just love how they turned out. I love how the color looks on my skin tone, looks on my skin. As far as the base of what I did to my hair to put these in here, I was trying to avoid putting so many packs in my hair. And I think the next time I'm going to do my base a little differently. And it's the fact that I have them up. Next time I probably would just do 3 rows in the front here. I will still do the individuals because I still want them to look individual on the side like I had before. But I would probably just lay them out a little differently. I did, I wanted to, even though you can't see because this hair is so long, I definitely wanted to put them up, but I wanted to have that individual look. And there's a lot of YouTubers on YouTube that I've watched. I watched Naturally Engineered, and gosh, I'm so sorry, I can't remember the other girl's name. There's a couple of them, 3, 4 of them that I watched, videos that I watched. Well, that one might be Mitchie Nicole, I think. I'm not sure. But I did watch the videos on how they were doing individuals. Now, what I like about this hairstyle is that, or the base, was that I did not want to pull, when I plaited my hair, I didn't want to pull the individual plait through the twist itself, because I did not want to run into the risk of my hair peeping out through the twist. Because like I said, I don't know how long these twists are going to last or what they're going to look like. So I didn't want to run that risk. So that's why I did it the way that I did it. And I just did the individual plaits and just brought them up into the next plait. Would I do it differently? I probably will do it differently, because there was something the way that I did it I kind of just didn't like. But just because I'm wearing them up in a ponytail anyway, you can't really tell. So it really doesn't matter. You see the little box, but to each his own. I think the twist turned out perfectly. They're just so beautiful, y'all. I am just memorized over this. So what I'm going to do is just probably put like a little tie like this at night, like this, and then I'm just going to put a big bonnet on my hair at night. I'm definitely gonna tie these edges down, because I don't want my edges to get fuzzy. I did use I'll put below on the edge control stuff that I use. I forgot the name of that company that fast, or what I use to lay these edges down. But I like using that stuff because it really lays your edges down, and you have to work fast with the product. Matter of fact, let me go get it. Ugh, I think I showed you on my last video. And I love this product. This stuff will last you, give you a good hold. This stuff will give you a really good hold. What I used was, I used this initially. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's called, Blessed Hands. I've seen another YouTuber on her use it. Beauty Can Braid was using this product. And I've had this product for quite some time. Oops, I don't know if y'all can see that. I've had it for quite some time. And on top of this product, I also layered it with the unicorn snot. The unicorn snot wool. This unicorn snot, if you don't freaking get your hair molded quickly, and the stuff that this stuff really hardens up, and it's sweat and humidity proof, impeccable hold, no flaking, and for all hair, it is fast drying. When they say this stuff is fast drying, baby, this stuff is fast drying. You got to move. And that's what I noticed with using these products. But I do get a good hold on these products. It works great when I'm working out, especially when I'm sweating. My hair and my edges hold wonderfully, so I don't have to keep applying this product every day. I know that when I was wearing the bomb twist, I only maybe apply this product every 2 weeks or whatever. I'm not really big on layering this on there because I don't want to get that cakey look. But I'm telling you, these are some good products. Blessed Hands. And I learned it off of Beauty Can Braid, and I used to see it a lot on Instagram. But other than that, I will put this in a bonnet at night. I did put some little hair jewels in here just to give it a little pizzazz. And that is it, y'all. So I'm definitely loving doing these crochet twists. It's definitely giving me the protective style that I need now. I'll probably give my hair a rest once I take these out. I definitely want to do a video on creating some creating my own clip-ins on a sewing machine. So I definitely want to do that. And do something different with my hair for a little while. Let my hair rest a little while from being, plaited and braided up. Well, it'll still be plaited and braided up because I do wear wigs. So, but from being pulled with the crochet, you do gotta let your hair rest. Just like I was letting my hair rest with wigs, I'm probably gonna let my hair rest with crochet for a little bit, maybe a month or two, and then I'll come back and do some more, especially when it starts heating up these summer months. I just need something light on my hair, and this will last. Doing crochet for the summer is definitely going to be my go-to style. I don't want to wear a hot wig on my hair. So with that being said, I want you guys to rate, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell because I don't want y'all to miss any of my videos. And I will catch y'all in my next video. Until then, God bless.